Hi, I'm Antoine for Frog's Barbecue. Today I'm going to show you how to put a gasket seal on the Weber Smokey Mountain. The Weber Smokey Mountain for about 2.5 months now. I am very happy. It's a very high performing machine, but there is one major issue, and this comes with the design. So I have a lot of smoke leak. So everything around the door and around the lid. So in order to solve that problem, I found a gasket on the Amazon. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to install it, and then we're gonna do a quick burn just to see how effective it is. So as you can see, the door is not very good. It's really a substandard door. And then same on the other side. So you have a lot of smoke leaking from here and then on the other side. And then that door, so we're gonna install the gasket on that door. And then also there is a lot of smoke going out here around the lid. And also with the grease, the lid is very hard to take off unless the barbecue is very hot. So I hope the gasket will solve these two problems. It is very important to clean around that door on this side. The bottom doesn't leak too much, but it's really at the top and on the sides. So now for the barrel, the gasket is gonna sit inside. So we're just gonna need to make sure that the inside is properly clean. So we're gonna wear the gloves back. So the gasket has been installed on the barrel and also on the door. We need to let it set for 24 hours, very important. And then tomorrow we're gonna do a full burn of the barbecue with no meat. So we make sure that the meat doesn't smell plasticky, because the first burn I read online that it could smell plasticky. So it's very important. Let it burn and then after we'll be able to use it. But tomorrow.
So now let's prepare the barbecue. So I'm gonna remove these grates. No point heating them up for nothing. Okay, and then we leave the heat deflector. So it is recommended to do a full burn. So that's why I've put loads of briquettes. So we're gonna burn all the briquettes down. It is very important, otherwise your food may taste a bit plasticky on the first one. So just leave it like this, burn it till the end, and then the next time you may enjoy a very efficient cooker. So now you can see that we have a tiny bit of smoke that is coming out where the handle is, but this is normal. I wouldn't expect it otherwise. We have a tiny bit of smoke coming out of the lid, but like nowhere near to what you saw previously in the video, and a nice thick smoke from the opening on the top of the lid, which is exactly what we want. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos about the Weber Smokey Mountain or other cooker that I own and all the recipes, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be alerted next time I release a video. And if you want to know more about the modification I did on the Weber Smokey Mountain or anything else, please leave a comment below. Much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.